Hey folks, Mr. Nickel here. Just a quick video on how to be successful in Biology 30, how to navigate the course, how to operate Blackboard, just a few tips and tricks for you here this morning. So you can click on our 2021 Q4 Biology 30 Section 2. Section 2 just means that I'm the other teacher. I'm the second best, apparently. That's what Saskatoon Public Schools is telling me. So we land on our announcements page. In the beginning of the course, we'll see a lot of announcements from me. It'll get kind of annoying. As we get sort of more closer to the halfway mark, I'll try to do an announcement per week. So this is where you'll find the most important or most pertinent information that you need to know right now. It's usually a lot of administrative notes. So, hey, a lot of you are doing this, try doing this. I saw some of you don't really know how to APA reference. Here's a helpful video, that sort of thing. If you want to find my contact information, it can all be found here. You would have started here yesterday with this Start Here menu. I saw a bunch of you were able to go through these instructions. A thing to note, a lot of questions that I get is, how do you submit assignments? One of the things you'll notice is that these little topics here, there's nothing really to click on. Those are notes that I've made for you to be able to read through. So anytime you see this paper symbol here, it's not an assignment. If you see this symbol here with the ruler and the pencil, that means there is an assignment. And what you'll be able to do is click on that link and it'll take you to this location here. What you'll be able to do is you'll be able to add comments if you want and attach files right here. And then you always want to make sure you're clicking submit in the bottom right hand corner. There's a lot of people that forget to attach a file. They submit something blank and then we have to go through the process of them trying to email it to me and that whole fun thing. So it would have taken you here. The other thing that it would have taken you to is this Introduction to Chemistry pre-quiz. So quizzes operate a little bit differently. I can begin this, and you can see that I have a bunch of questions. One good thing with Blackboard to always do, a good habit, is to always save your answers. You can click the Save All Answers in the bottom right-hand corner here, but that is sort of an option that you have to you. Other important things to note. So course information, if you're looking for values of how much a certain topic or discussion is worth, you can find those things all here. You guys won't have this. I wrote this lovely long document here that we will go through in class. We'll go through in a live session. And then there's a bunch of other things. I wrote this common Q&A section here for you. Basically, my tips and tricks as someone who was both a student and now has also been a teacher on the side of online learning. What are some tips and tricks that you can use? This will probably be the most valuable tab to you, this course calendar here. This is where you can find all of the information. I made a code at the bottom. Assignments being assigned, it doesn't mean that I'm going in there and saying, hey, you should start doing this today, but it's sort of my recommendation of, I think it'll take this long, and so you should start thinking about it on this day. So organelle case study assigned. It's a little bit of a longer assignment. It does take some research, and so I assign it on the Tuesday, but it's really only due the Friday. You have a bunch of your no schools kind of highlighted here. We have the lovely Easter break. We have PD day. You'll find a lot of value in this tab here. My grades, that'll be some of your favorite tabs where you get to go through, look at all of your different grades, kind of see where you're at in the course. Course content, you'll spend the majority of your time there. Discussions, a lot of these discussion posts are linked to in the course content. So that's not something that you need to be super concerned with. Virtual meeting space, this will be where if we have a quote unquote live session, which I'll post in the calendar, you'll click on this, you'll click join course room, and it will take you to our live session. We'll be able to basically Zoom call with each other. Biology blogs, this is something that you should start thinking about, topics that you want to talk about. The big description is all right here. You get to write 2 blogs. They're worth 50 total marks. You get to comment on other people's things. One of the tips or one of the things that happened quite a bit last quint was this, where this side menu disappears. If you're ever looking at your screen and you see this blue bar, it means the side menu has just hidden itself right here. You can just click on this little arrow or anywhere on that blue line and it'll reveal itself again. One of the things that you should ensure that you're doing as you're going through the course is if we click on this lesson 1, there's a lot of different links and there's a lot of different things. What I would do to ensure that you are going to be the most successful is click on all of the links. Literally every link, just click on it. Read through it if it's something to read through. Do it if it's something to do. That'll ensure that you have all of the content gathered, and it'll ensure that you have the greatest opportunity for success in this course. that's sort of an outline of Blackboard, how everything works. Yeah, if you have any questions at all about the operations of Blackboard and how to do certain things, submit certain things, let me know. Hope this video is helpful to you, and we will see you soon.